Hi everyone, I'm here with another layout, and my background is Maggie Holmes Heritage called Homestead, and that cardstock I'm using to house my pictures because what I'm doing is I'm using a bunch of cards. Oh, and I don't know. Oh, it's because cards are cut from past kit, but I don't way to go. I took them out of my container like that, so I'm gonna say they were cut from a pattern paper in past kit. Anyway, and you can't really tell from here is I was in my scrapbook room scrapbooking, and I happened to turn around to look out my window, and I saw something running through my front yard next to my driveway, and I'm like, what is that? It looks like a really big lizard. So I go closer to the window, and I'm like looking, and I'm like, oh my Lanta, no. It was probably a 4-foot alligator. I was like, no. Um, Behind the house, there's my only neighbor is the house in front of me, so across the street. So, in behind their house, in their backyard, is a swamp, pond, whatever you want to call it. And when we would walk to the path through the house or through the woods that's next to their house, um, we walked past it, and I quit once I saw that alligator. Ever since then, walking through the woods with Coco, I felt hunted. So I never felt comfortable walking through there, especially with Mateo and Coco. So I have not heard them calling out at night like I used to. Um, I always suspected that was alligators, but I've never seen any until this particular time. But anyway, so my Wowza is American Crafts High Five stickers. Stickers are American Crafts Truly Grateful stickers. There we go. So see you is American Crafts Happy Thought Thickers. Later is Pink Fresh Studio Office Hours, and Alligator is American Crafts Main Squeeze Thickers. Oh, she fell asleep. Yeah, she does that. She'll go, and when she gets calm, she'll do it. But she's got like a bed that has like a wool fiber, and a piece of it sticks up, and she uses that to suck on. So she suckles in her bed, and she falls asleep, and she fell asleep. Oh. Anyway, so the phrase stickers are from past kits, and I used some wood accent stickers, which are Pink Fresh Studio Office Hours from the July kit. And let's see, now it's just a matter of putting down my title. At least this particular time, Patton's laying above my layout, not on my layout, because he likes to lay on my stuff, right, Patton? Alright, and that completes my layout. When I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.